Right, so this is every Birmingham. We've installed a new 200 amp O-Pen device on the right, and then a 6-way Proteus board with O-Pen on the left, with a new 200 amp supply. We've just carried out the trenching, installed 2 concrete bases, 2 posts, ground motors posts with each one. Trenching followed along through here, where we've lifted and relayed the block paving. Just come up here where we've mounted a further 3 11 kilowatt chargers on the back of the building. And if I turn around, we've mounted 10 11 kilowatt chargers. These are all wall mounted with the cables run on tray behind the crash barrier, which runs all the way along here. And these are fed from this board here, which is a 200 amp supply fed from the Matty, which is in the GRP unit over there.